Need to copy text from a screenshot, a photo of a document, or a PDF scan? The free OCR tool at keyboardtester.click extracts that text instantly using Tesseract.js, and it never uploads anything to a server. Everything runs locally in your browser. The OCR tool works on any image with readable text. That includes screenshots with error messages, photos of receipts or documents, scanned PDFs saved as images, whiteboard photos, and anything else where the text is large enough to be legible. Open the OCR tool and click Upload. Select your image, JPG, PNG, or WebP, all work. Processing happens entirely in your browser using Tesseract.js. The extracted text appears in the box below the image, and you can copy it straight away. For best results, use images at least 150 dpi. Crop tightly around the text before uploading. Avoid shadows, glare, or photos taken at an angle. The cleaner the image, the better the extraction accuracy. Try the OCR tool free at keyboardtester.click/OCR. No account, no upload, no tracking.